قد تكون كلمة ما بعد نعمة وبئس. So after ni'mah and after bi'sa, many times what do we have? We have the particle ma. Or we have the word ma. Let's not call it particle. Particle is a harf. So we have the word ma. Now what's the i'rab of this? For example, if we're going through the i'rab right now is, we have وَإِن تُبْدُوا الصَّدَقَاتِ فَنِئِمَّا هِي. And yesterday we done that ni'imma hi is really ni'ima ma. Ni'ima ma. Sorry, it's not working for the board. Correct? So how to do i'rab of this? So we're saying here the ma al-waqi' lima al-waqi'ati ba'da ni'ma wa bi'sa halan. The ma which comes after ni'ma and bi'sa, there are two hal, two conditions, two scenarios. Al-awwal an yakuna ba'daha mufrad. The first situation, the first scenario is after the ma you have your mufrad and is either mentioned as mahdhuf. So for example, so the fa is harf isti'naf, no need for that. Ni'ima ma hiya. So you have a mufrad. Or is mahdhuf, and this is not really, I guess it must have not really needed, but let's point it out. Qara'tul kitab fa ni'imma huwa, or fa ni'imma al-kitab. I read a book and how good was the book. So here's mahdhuf. But you have a mufrad after it. Okay? If you have a mufrad after it, how do you do the i'rab of this? We say the ma is ismun ma'rifatun tammatun bima'na ash-shay. It becomes the fa'il. What does this mean? You will find certain places, ma, when we do baby stuff, we say the two types of ma. Ma is a nafiya, ma daraba, ma qatuluhu, wa ma salabuhu, ma nafiya and a fi'l madi. Another type of ma we're familiar with is ma mawsula. Ma taf'alu min khairin. So ma mawsula, whatever you do. But there are also a few other types of ma. Ma mastariya. And one is ma, which is an ism, not a harf. Ma mawsula is an ism, ma nafiya is a harf. Mawsula as an ism is also another type of ism. It's called ismun ma'rifa. It's a ma and it's tamma, meaning it's a proper full ism, not a mawsula. So tamma means not mawsula, because mawsula is naqisa because it needs a sila. Mawsula needs a sila. So it's not that one. What is it? A full, meaning a shay. So ni'ma, so ma equals a shay. It's ma'rifa. Ni'ma, so basically ni'immahi. Yes, so let's do the first one here. So in this example, when you have ni'imma, I hope the pen works. We have ni'imma ma here. So now, what's the i'rab going to be? Ni'ma is fa'lul madh. Fa'lul madh. We do idgham of it, ni'imma hi. But before the idgham, split the idgham. Ma becomes the fa'il, as mentioned here. And then ni'immahu, and the Quran has ni'immahi. So that here becomes the makhsus. The ni'imma becomes the makhsus. And in Turkey, this becomes the mubtada mu'akhar. Mubtada'un mu'akharun. And we call this mubtada'un khabar muqaddam. Fahimt? So ni'immahi, what a good thing. Ma is a thing. What a good thing it is. In tubdu sadaqat. So if you conceal the sadaqah, فَنِئِمَّاهِ, very good. Yes? So ni'immahi, ma is ma'na shay, that's a fa'il. Do you understand the first tarkeeb? Is everybody following me on the first tarkeeb, the first i'rab? Yes? Acha. The next one is, we say that ma is not ma'rifa tamma, it's an ism, but it's nakira tamma. Bima'na shay'un, not a shay. Bima'na shay'un. So in this scenario, because it's nakira, it can't be the fa'il, because we said before that the fa'il has to be ma'rifa, alif lam jins, or mudhaf ila al jins. So we will say here in this scenario, we will say ni'imma hi. We will say here what happens in this scenario. This is fa'lul madh. The zamir, the fa'il is, this is the huwa. The huwa inside, it's not writing properly. The huwa inside of here is what? Zamir mustatir, mufassar. And this ma is ma'na shay'an. This is the tamyiz muhawwal an al-fa'il. Tamyizun, tamyizun muhawwal an al-fa'il. It's not working by the board. So tamyizun muhawwal an al-fa'il. And then the here is the makhsus. So if it's ma is ma'rifa tamma, it becomes the fa'il. If it's nakira tamma, you make ma'na shay'un. then in this situation, say ma is nakira, and they're doing tamyiz of the hiya or the huwa inside. The huwa inside. And then the hiya becomes the maqsus after it. So ni'imma, two i'rabs of this. Is this clear? If there's a jumla after it, what comes after it? A jumla. Then, like for example, inna allaha ni'imma ya'idukum bih. In this scenario, what do you have now? A few possibilities. Number one, the ma is ism mawsool and fa'il. So ni'ima is fa'il madah, mawsool, sila becomes the fa'il, and maqsoos is mahdhoof, something mahdhoof. Ay, inna allaha ni'im ma ya'idukum bi. So ni'ma, how good is that thing, which is mentioned before, what he advises you to do. That's the fa'il, that's the maqsoos, and the maqsoos is the maqsoos is mahdhoof. Another way we can do this as well, yes, is we can say that ma is nakira tamma. So same as before. So the next possibility is ma. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. The next one we can have here is ma is ni'ma is fa'il and fa'il. The huwa inside is a zamir mustatir. Ma is a tamyiz muhawwal anil fa'il. And then ya'idukum becomes, because this is because ma is a nakira word, the jumla ya'idukum becomes the na'at. Nakira word followed by a na'at becomes the na'at. Now nakira word followed by jumla becomes the na'at. So ya'idukum bi is the na'at of ma. And then man'ut na'at then becomes the tamyiz of the ni'ima. And the zamir huwa. And then the maqsoos is mahzoof in there as well. So inna allaha ni'ma shay'an. How good is that thing by which he advises you? The khulasa and the meaning is the same, but in the i'rab is different tawjih. So it's either ism mawsool or ism nakira tamma tamyiz. But it can't be ma'rifah. If it's ma'rifah, ni'ma shay, what does ya'idukum become? So it can't be ma'rifah tamma in here. It has to be nakira tamma or ism mawsool.